Experience unmatched warmth on your ride with the Gears heated seat pad for motorcycles, snowmobiles, and ATVs. Designed for universal compatibility, this seat pad fits most snowmobiles, ATVs, and most motorcycles from cruiser to sport bikes. Please note, due to its heart shape, it does not fit well on motorcycles with long rectangular seats, such as dirt bikes. These are the dimensions of the seat. The difference maker comes from the advanced ZEPTO fiber heating technology from France. These ultra-thin, lightweight fibers deliver even heat distribution, keeping you comfortably warm no matter the distance. Durability meets comfort with a breathable Drymax outer layer. On the interior is a water-resistant lining that protects the heating element from damage when riding in light rain or ATVing through mud. To install the heating pad, you need access to your powersport vehicle's 12-volt battery. So start by removing your seat. Then connect the 20-inch battery cord to your battery. Note that the cord has a 5-amp fuse for added safety. Black is to be connected to the negative terminal. Red is to be connected to the positive terminal. Then use straps to mount the pad on your seat. Lastly, connect the battery cord to the heated seat. The heat can be turned on or off using the inline switch. A Gears single temperature controller, SKU 10023-1, can be purchased separately to fine-tune the heat level. The seat produces 17.4 watts of heat while drawing only 1.3 amps of current, making it both powerful and efficient. If you want to use this heated seat alongside heated apparel, it is absolutely possible if you purchase the Gears male coax to dual female coax adapter, SKU 10229-1.
Add to cart and go seize your adventure.